Huh?
Are you looking at a bowl?
I'm looking at 3 different bowls.
Okay, well, probably the red bowl.
There's 2 red ones. That one work for you?
Sure. You could be a little more gentle with the cake mix.
How the hell do you melt margarine in an 8-inch square pan?
You need to get out your 8-inch square pan.
They get a tape measure first.
Where are you going?
I get a tape measure so I can measure the damn pan. I don't know what an 8-inch pan was like. I need a pan that big. Where's the pan?
Pans
Where's the pan?
over there.
Where? Right here?
Yeah, I don't know if the square ones are over there though.
I can't work under these damn conditions. You want a round cake? You want a tri-oval cake? You want a straight cake? What you want?
It said square.
Ain't no square pan in there. What else you got?
You could probably use the brownie pan that's under the stove. Just take out the dividers.
Is it 8 inches?
You don't have to break. Okay, there's a bottom to it.
That pan's too big. That's 10.5.
That's as good as it's going to get. Unless you want to get the pan out of up yonder. That's probably the size you need up there.
You make your damn mind. Is it up there, here, or what?
You can use that, or you can use that one over there.
Which one?
In the cabinet.
Oh, I ain't going over the house looking for pans. This is ridiculous.
You see that cabinet over there in the dining room? Because that'll be an 8-inch over there.
I don't know when my name becomes Betty Dan Crockett when I want one.
I thought we were supposed to be watching our language.
Do what?
I thought you were supposed to be watching your language.
This whole damn stick of butter?
What does it say? I thought there was supposed to be a whole lot of love in this cake. Doesn't appear to be any love in this cake. I'm not going to eat it.
Do what?
You're going to have to do it all over.
No.
I need love in the
I'm
cake.
doing this shit one time. I don't mean no do over.
I need love in the cake. You know you got to melt that, right?
Yeah, it says in oven. That's what the box says.
Mm-hmm.
That right there is an oven.
Okay, so put it in the oven. I don't know why you're looking at me like that. Seriously? Did you just spit in that?
Mm-hmm. That's cute. Need to buy a faucet. This piece of junk.
That's like the 5th faucet in 6 years. Most people don't replace that many in a lifetime.
Okay, well, there's a problem.
Okay.
This is supposed to be a pineapple upside down cake, but there's no pineapple.
It should have been pineapple you poured out of there.
Oh, I gotta eat my way through there. There you go again.
with the can opener. But I also bought whole pineapples because I like whole
Well,
pineapples.
you're getting what's in the box.
Are you supposed to have to drain those?
Yeah. What the box says.
Oh my
Anytime
gosh.
you want to step in, feel free.
I thought you were making this cake.
I'm making something. These pineapple smell in there.
Pineapples are good.
Yeah, but one's from a can smell like ace.
They do not.
I like to add technique to my stuff.
Just shake it a little.
Now what?
Be a little more gentle with my oven, will you? Why is the faucet hanging like that?
Because it won't get back up. I've got too much junk under there. It won't go back up. Best I can do with it, isn't it?